All right, guys, welcome back to Wednesday Wisdom. We are going to do part 2 of chrome wheels, how to powder coat. Don't do it, run. So let's get going. All right, guys, so we are going to start sanding down on these wheels. We got to get them as level as we can so that when we lay this gloss black down, it looks super smooth. There's nothing left to do but do it. I hate this part. This sucks so much. Let's go. All right, so I thought I'd show you guys that lip that was severely corroded, and you can tell because the back side is, look at that. So that wrapped all the way around to here, and we filled it with primer, and now it's smooth. We're reshaping that edge so it looks round. It should be good to go. right, guys, we just got the wheels back on the truck. We've got the torque specialist going around torquing them down.
I'm unfired.
Unfired. These things came out really, really good. I was freaking out when I opened the door to see what they looked like. We let them gel out, and when I saw how glossy and smooth the faces were, I was just thrilled. So, again, chrome is not fun. We don't recommend doing it, especially when it's peeling. We've done a bunch of the nice chrome, but when it starts peeling, it just becomes a headache. We probably have 10 to 12 hours in these wheels, so they're not cheap. The customer kind of was in a hole and couldn't get out of it, and we were there to help him, so that's what we did. But that's the final product. They came out, don't mind the tire lube there, but they came out pretty good, and I think the customer's gonna be really happy. So as always, thanks for watching, especially this two-part series. The comments have been fun to read on the first one because everyone's like, run, 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 don't do it. So they all agree with me. But I was dumb enough to do it. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one.
Did you tell them to smash the like button?
Do what?
Smash the like button.
Where's that at?
It's right around down.
Oh, okay. See you later.